guys, what's up? It's your girl Simone Cherise. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply lace frontal glue on your lace front wig. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so does this glue really work? Look, this is my end result. Ew, 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 ew. Disgusting. This is it trying to come off my head. So this is it. Oh, it done slid back. That's after a workout. What's up, everyone? So today in this video, I'm working with CHINALACEWIG, and I am going to pretty much be showing you guys how I applied my lace frontal glue and how I took it off, okay? Because after I came from the gym, it was looking like a hot mess, and then it magically came all back together 2 hours later. So you'll see that towards the end of the video. So this is how the baby hairs look on the wig. I look a little crazy. I'm still sick, guys, and I've been sick forever. I mean, like, I'll cover my mouth so you guys don't get sick through the computer screen. All right, so I'm just gonna use some serum just to push the baby hairs back, because you want to make sure all the strands from this wig are out of the way when you're doing this, because it'll get caught in the glue and it'll get all nasty. So I went ahead and tried the stocking cap method again, and I purposely didn't put any glue or put the stocking cap by the corners of my ears. I'll explain that later. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Ghost Bond glue that I've used in my previous video, on my 360 video. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it on the edge of the stocking cap. So if you notice, I'm not putting this anywhere near my hairline. It's not, well, I'm putting it near, I'm not putting it on my hairline. You don't want it on your hairline because, girl, you're not going to have no edges, and that's not going to look too cute. Now I'm just using my finger, and I'm just smushing it down a little bit, kind of smearing it out a little bit. And I always put 2 layers on. So you make it dry first, and then you go ahead and put the second layer on, as I'm doing now. Go ahead and smush it down one more time. Let it dry a little bit, guys. Don't be all rushy. Let it dry. And then you're going to go ahead and pull your wig up and just place it down little by little. So I'm just going to take my hands, and little by little, I'm just pressing it down. So you see why I didn't put the stocking cap by the ears? Because it already felt too tight on my head. So I kind of cut it purposely above my ears when I was putting the stocking cap on. And I knew I was going to glue it anyway, so it made perfect sense. So I just tied my hair down for about 15 minutes to make the glue set into place. And this is the end result. So do I like this over Gotta Be Glued? It's kind of bittersweet. Gotta Be Glued is like if you don't want it to be permanently on your head for a week, and glue is like if you want it to be on your head for an entire week and you don't want to take it off, go ahead and use the glue. But I like to have options, and sometimes I need my wig to come off all in one piece at one time in 5 seconds. I can't do this all the time, so yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna use a beauty blender. It has a little bit of makeup on it, but not a lot. Kind of like what's left over from me doing my makeup. I'm just gonna press it in. Like, it doesn't feel like, I mean, Gotta Be Glued feels good too, but this is a nice change from what I'm used to. So easily just throw it into a ponytail. And the issue I always have with Gotta Be Glued is the sides. These things do not stay down for more than like a day or half a day. So with the glue, it really has it laying down. Like, this is actually really amazing. Ooh. So yeah, I love how it feels so secure. Like, this to me is like, ooh, I know I could go to the gym with this and I'll be okay. I didn't go ahead and pluck the whole entire frontal. I didn't go nuts with it. I kind of just kept it like really simple, and I did layer it. This hair is so black. You're at a point right now where if you want to, you can go ahead and do baby hairs if you want. Do I recommend glue? Yes. But as far as the hair is super silky, so it's hard as hell for me to get into a ponytail. Alright, so you guys remember how I told you how I came back from the gym and my glue was all sweaty and nasty underneath. It was like disgusting. Well, I'm gonna take off my hat to show you guys the aftermath. Fast forward, my glue was like stuck to my head after that. So ignore my hat hair, but this is how I look, right? I didn't do anything. I didn't add any more glue, nothing. Okay? But this is how, But this is how it is after, okay? So that glue worked. And it didn't even leave any white flaky stuff. Usually, like, glues would leave, like, I mean, it might look a little weird here because I had the hat on while I was sweating. But usually glues leave, like, this nasty look. And with this, it actually didn't. Like, if I wanted to, I could have just styled my hair regularly and put my baby hairs down and I would be good. But, yo, this glue is there. Okay? Alright, so what you're going to need is you're going to need some alcohol. Just a regular schmegular bottle of alcohol, which is a CVS brand. And I'm going to use just a regular gray washcloth, right? So you want to dab a little bit on here. Then you're just going to start rubbing it. Just rubbing. Don't go nuts now. But you can see it's lifting up. So alcohol is going to be your friend. Now, I know you guys are probably asking me, like, is it going to take off your edges? Is this good for your hair? Is it going to dry out your hair or whatever? What I do after this is how it's starting to look. Okay? What I do after this is I always go in with some castor oil and I just dab it on my head and massage it. You can see this is all the glue residue just being, like, balled up on its own. You can see also right here, it's rubbing off on its own because of the alcohol. Oh, she's off. Usually what gotta be glued are most glues. When you take off your wig, there's a whole bunch of residue just stuck all in, like, the beginning of the edge line. With this glue, there's barely any residue. I'm gonna use this glue again for another hairstyle because I'm honestly sold by this product. So now I have all this excess residue. I'm gonna take some more alcohol, squeeze it a little bit into here. So now you can see that it's kind of wet. And we're just gonna go ahead and just gently, well, a little bit of tension, rub the glue, the leftover particles off of our head. Because we don't want those particles. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some Jamaican castor oil and pour this on my edges to kind of get rid of the rest of the residue. And this is why it's so important to not really make sure you're not putting it on your hair. As you can see right here, I didn't have it on my hair, but when I got to right here, a little bit must have gotten there. And also what you're seeing is there's probably some leftover gotta be glue there as well. So go ahead and massage it into your scalp, and you can see the glue pieces are just coming out little by little. I just washed my hair just more than that, but this is how you safely remove the glue from your lace front wig. So